As you can see here, the lights are super bright. They match the factory LED headlight, and I'm just super happy with how these turned out. What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna replace the stock turn signals, which are halogen bulbs, to LED turn signals with LED running lights. So I actually ordered a set off Amazon. I will put a link in the description below and show you guys where you guys can pick up a set for yourself. So like I said, we're replacing these stock halogen turn signals with LEDs, both front and rear. And we're also gonna put some smoked lenses on the turn signals as well and get rid of these ugly red ones with the halogen bulbs. So let's go ahead and install those now. We got my buddy John's Road Glide in here today. I'll put his Instagram up on the screen here for you guys to go follow him. He's got a 17 Road Glide, all chromed out. He's actually got the stock wheel dipped in chrome, both front and rear. This thing looks killer. And he's got PM, Performance Machine lower forks on it. He's got some KST 10-inch mini apes on here. They look really good. And yeah, so make sure you guys go follow him. And over here, look at this, it's like Christmas over here. I've got so many parts. Whatever I don't get installed today, make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I have a lot more coming for this Road Glide. Like I said, this is gonna be like a project build. Everything I do to it, I will video and put on the channel. But yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I have a lot coming for this. All right, guys, so here we have the front LED turn signals and the rear LED turn signals. These also are white LED rings for running lights, and then when you put the turn signal on, the center lights up in amber, and I'll show you guys that here in a few. And then the rear is gonna be a red ring for a running light, and then the whole center lights up red for the brake light. Custom Dynamics, which is a big LED company for these Harleys, they want to charge $79 for just the fronts, $79 just for the rear, and then you got to buy the lens caps too. It's like, man, they're raping people. So I'm trying this company out. I will, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below where you guys can order a setup for yourselves. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. So on your stock turn signal here, on your stock here, you're gonna see a little indent where you would put like a flathead screwdriver. Carefully, I'd put like a microfiber around it so you don't scratch the black, especially if you have painted turn signals. Go ahead and put a flathead screwdriver in there and then just cock it sideways and pop the lens off, and then you will be able to access the bulb, pull the bulb out, and then install the new LED turn signals. It's that easy, guys. Alright guys, so once you got the old bulb out, you want to go ahead and put the new LED bulb in here, and make sure when you put it in, you twist to the right, so twist clockwise, and go ahead and turn your key on, and you guys can see here that they light up. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but oh, there you go. You can see that it's like a white halo, and then in the center, when you turn the turn signal on, they are orange. So that's it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna button it up, wrap the wires around here in a circle, and then put our lens caps on. All right guys, so once you get your LED light put in there, make sure you snap on your lens cover and you're good to go. And you're gonna repeat the same steps and the same process for the other side. As you guys can see here, it's kind of hard to tell in the camera, but they're different. There's a halogen bulb here and LED bulbs here. And I'll show you guys what they look like with them both on. Alright guys, so we got both LED turn signals installed with the smoked covers, the smoke caps. I'm gonna go ahead now and turn the key on so you guys can see what it looks like with the running light. And then I'll go ahead and turn the blinkers on so you guys can see what they look like once they're lit up for the turn signal. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so now that the key's on, you can definitely tell how bright the running lights are, and they're actually halos. I don't know if the camera will pick it up because they are so bright. Probably not. But it's basically a halo ring, and then in the center is amber only when you turn the turn signal on. So from the front, it's really bright. It adds actually a lot of light to the front of the bike. So at night, you're gonna be able to see a lot better than with the standard amber halogen bulbs in the turn signals, because those are what your running lights used to be, were just halogen amber bulbs. Now you got two bright LED rings that are lighting up for your running lights, and then when you go to hit the turn signals, the amber flashes and the LED ring shuts off so that people can see that you have your turn signal on and it doesn't blend in. But as you can see here, the lights are super bright. They match the factory LED headlight, and I'm just super happy with how these turned out. I mean, this thing is super bright. So like I mentioned before, I will leave a link in the description below on where you guys can pick up a set of these for yourselves. And these are a lot cheaper than the Custom Dynamics LED turn signals. Alright guys, so now that we're done with the front, we're going to move on to the back and replace these halogen bulbs with LEDs. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so once you get your lens cap off, you want to go ahead and twist counterclockwise and pull your stock halogen bulb out. And then you're going to go ahead and put your new LED bulb in there. And same as the front, same process as the front. It's really easy. So as you guys can see here, I have the LED in the left side and the stock halogen bulb in the right side. Look how much brighter that is. This is just on running light only. You can definitely tell that the left side is a lot brighter. And also on the running light for the rear, just like the front, they're a halo. So the running light's a halo. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera. But and then when you hit the brakes, the whole thing lights up. But just running light, look how much brighter that is than the stock factory halogen. These are a must-have. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we got both LED taillights installed. The running light is a halo. I don't know if the camera can pick it up because it's so bright, but the running light is a halo, and then when you hit the brake light, which I'll show you here in a second, the whole bullet style LED taillight lights up, and you'll see that here in just a second. But I'm very happy with the install on these. They're very good quality, made of good quality. I will leave a link in the description below on where you guys can pick up a set for yourselves if you're interested. They're a lot cheaper than the Custom Dynamics LED turn signals. Those are typically, I think, retail $80 a set for front and rear. So, well, you know, $80 for the front, $80 for the rear, and these were significantly cheaper than that. But I'll drop a link in the description below for you guys to order up a set yourselves if you are interested. As you guys can see here, I replaced the stock red lens caps with a clear smoked lens cap. And I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the two. You can see that the smoked cap definitely looks a lot better on here than the red. It just flows better with the black bike and just, in my opinion, looks better. So we went ahead and ordered these Chris Products lens caps. I will leave a link in the description below where you guys can pick up a set of these if you're interested. But yeah, so there's the difference. There's smoked on the left and red on the right. And being that these are red LED taillights, they're not clear, the red light shines through them, no problem. Alright guys, so we got both tinted lens caps on. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on these. I think it looks a lot better than the red caps. It just makes it look a lot cleaner and flows a lot better. So that's that. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the running lights on. And you can see that it still shines through red because they're red LED turn signals. They're not clear. So it looks good to me. I'm happy with them. Alright guys, so that's going to complete today's install video on the LED lights for the 2019 Road Glide Special. We did the front and rear LED turn signals, which are also running lights on this bike. And I'm very impressed with how they turned out. So make sure you check the link down below to order up a set yourself. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at DoWork Motorsports, all one word. I'll put it up here on the screen. I have a lot of content coming for you guys. I'm going to be doing a lot of comparison videos between the 103, the 107, and then my new 114. And obviously we have a lot of car content as well, some street racing videos, and just a whole bunch of motorsports content for you guys. I'll be doing install videos on every part I put on this new bike. I'll be doing reviews on each part I put on it. I do have some pretty big modifications coming for this 2019 Road Glide Special with the 114. So make sure you guys are subscribed and stay tuned for that. So if you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Peace!